understand is in order to do anything, you can't resort to more rest of the papers because everybody wants, kick ass more and all that, but not for themselves. Always for someone else.
All right. It's always good to talk to you, Michael Kennedy. Thank you very much for coming in.
You're more than welcome, Hamish.
All right, stay with us. Just hang there for a second. Stay with us after the break. Swimming, ballet dancing, and Akadaka. Apparently, Australia's synchronised swimmers reveal the combination they're hoping will win them gold at the Olympics. And a speedy divorce for Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes. And Bishop is with us from Hollywood. Stay with us.